5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and away you go. 80, 6 right, 150, 5 left, opens to 6 left, and very long 6 right, into fast 4 left. Very long 6 right, fast 4 left, into 5 right over bump, and 5 left, into 5 left again, 60, 4 left. 4 left and 5 right, 4 left here and 5 right, 150, 4 right over crest, opens to 5 right, 40, 6 left over crest, into 6 right 60, 6 left, into 6 right over crest jump, 60, 5 right, only 80, 3 left at DCs, 40, slowing, 5 right for chicane, right entry 4 bales, and late 2 left at the pole, late 2 left at the pole, 60, 4 right opens to 5 right, 100, turn square right, 100 turn square right, opens to 5 right, 40, short 4 right at the lane, and 5 left, into 5 right, 80, caution late 3 left, caution late 3 left, and go early out of it, 60, 5 left, go 250, care long 5 left in, into 4 right, only 80, turn square left narrow, only 80, turn square left narrow, and 2 right, 150 going up, fast 3 left in past the junction, fast 3 left in past the junction, into flat crest, 5 left on cut, into 5 right, and 5 left past the wall, it's okay, 100 up over mud, it's okay, stay out for 5 left going up, into crest, and 4 left, 5 right kink, 4 left, 5 right kink, 100, 5 left over crest, past the junction, it's okay, into 5 right, 100 over mud, care 5 right past the pole, narrow, slippy, and 6 left, into crest jump, 150 down the middle, to turn square right, no escape, turn square right, no escape, 40, stay right for open hairpin left, up, mind the shafts, open hairpin left, 60, 6 right and 6 left over crest, and 4 right, and 4 right up here, 40, slowing 5 right for 3 left on cut, 5 right, 3 left on cut, 80, 5 right, 80 going down, long 3 right continues, long 3 right continues, into short 3 left, past the house, push, push, into 5 right, and 6 left, go 400 to the top. I want your brake up here now for a short fast, 2 left, don't cut at the pole. Mind your braking now, short fast, 2 left, don't cut at the pole. And flat crest into 6 right. Flat crest into 6 right. And flat crest 60. Very long, 6 right over crest, going down, continues. Into care, crest, 4 left down. Care, crest, 4 left down, 150 down. 5 left over crest, don't cut, only 80 down. Short 2 left in down at the chevron over gravel. Short 2 left in down at the chevron over gravel. 80. Long 2 right and open hairpin left. Long 2 right here and open hairpin left. 40. 4 right going up, it's okay. And 5 left on cut. Into 5 right. And 6 right. And flat crest 150. 150, caution, 6 right over crest, past the junction, only 80 over crest, 3 right at the pink wall, don't cut, 3 left kink after it, 3 right, 3 left kink, 60, square right at the gate, square right at the gate, nice and easy now, 150, 150, square left down here at the gate, 130 out of it, 130 to turn square right, mind your brake, you know, very slippy. Square right. And 6 left. And 6 left, 60. Short 3 left, push, push. Short 3 left, push, push. And left on crest, 5 right. 80, turn 2 left at the gate, use the road. Turn 2 left at the gate, use the road. And flat crest. And 6 left over crest, don't cut, 40 down. 4 right, only 60, short 2 right. Only 60, short 2 right. 80. 6 left over crest. 6 left over crest, into 5 left. Into flat crest, 80. 5 left, only 80 up, 2 right over gravel. 2 right over gravel, remember it. And 3 left, it's all gravel now, watch yourself. And short 2 right, don't cut. Short 2 right, don't cut. And late 3 left, push, push here, 40. 6 left. 6 left and 5 left. Into long 6 right over crest, and it tightens to 5 right, pushing it. Tightens to 5 right, 60. 6 right into flat crest, go 200. Go 200. Late flat, 5 left around the house. 170. Late, 4 left after the lane, be brave in it. 170, 4 left now, and it's late. 170. Flat crest, and 5 left. 200 down. 5 left, 200 down. 6 left over bump. 40, care 4 right. Care 4 right into 4 left. It opens to long 5 left. And right hand crest into 4 left. And tight 4 left at the wall, you know it. Tight 4 left at the wall. Into 4 right. Into 5 left, going up. And 4 right over crest, opens to 6 right. And long crest. And caution, short 3 left over crest of the bushes, come back in it. 40 down, 3 left. 40 down, short 3 left again. 60, short 3 right. Short 3 right here now, 60. 5 right, 60. 4 left over mud, and 5 right, don't cut, mucking it. Watch yourself here now. Flat crest, 170. Turn hairpin right, slippy braking on it. Just drive out of it, get your braking done. 130 out of it. Drive it, nice and tidy. You're okay, go on, kicker. Go on. Right, 130. 5 left over crest, 40. Fast 3 right. And 40, fast 3 right. 60, slowing 4 left for fast 2 right past the junction. Could be oil in it still. 2 right past the junction. Watch the oil if there is. Into 5 left, 150. 150, 3 left, push, push. And 5 right. 5 right. And flat crest into slowing, 6 left over crest, and tight 4 left at the post. Tight 4 left at the post, 4 right in over crest, push, push 60, 5 right and slowing, 5 right only 60, keep left, caution square left in, up here now, keep left, caution square left in, and short 2 left, push, push, short 2 left, push, push. Right, mind yourself up here now, 5 right opens to 6 right, and crest tight, 4 right, don't cut at the white wall, push through it, 80, 6 left, over rough, 150 down the middle, 150 down the middle to 3 left at the arrow, 3 left, and 6 right, 40, 6 right, 40, 5 right, it's okay, and 6 left, 60, crest, very short 3 right up here now, very short 3 right, into 5 left, 100, turn 2 left, get stopped for it. And 6 right, into middle over crest, 40 going down, 40 going down, 4 left, look for it, 4 left, and 6 left, over crest jump, and 5 left over crest, into 6 right, 5 left, cut, only 60, caution square right, slippy braking on it, square right, slippy braking, and crest 40, tight 4 left slippy, tight 4 left slippy, into tight 4 right slippy, and caution 4 left over crest, tightens short 2 left down at the gate, tightens to 2 left, and 6 right, 130 over bumps, care down here now, mind yourself, remember it, 5 right only 60, caution 3 right, short 3 right, get stopped for it, short 3 right, get stopped for it, and caution 3 left, tightens to square left, don't cut, tightens to square left, and 5 right, and 5 right, and caution, very long 4 right, tightens to very long 3 right at the pole, don't cut, all shitty, long 3 left nips, wipe out, come back for it, long 3 left nips, wipe out, and 5 right, turn square left down, 5 right, turn square left down, good man, well done, savage, 170, go, flat crest 100, 6 left slippy, but it's okay. 80 slippy braking for turn hairpin right over gravel. Turn hairpin right over gravel, slippy braking on it, watch yourself. And long 5 left, 80 over finish. Go on. Good man, well done. 5 left, 80 over finish. All the way to the board. You have a 3 left after, watch yourself, come back for it. Good man, well done.